Did you know that 39,620 Americans are covered by Medicare? That is only 13.2% of the population, of which 43.6% are below the poverty line. 65 of these are in Wyoming, 165 in Hawaii, 477 in Iowa, 1,203 in New Jersey, 2,804 in Florida, and an astounding 3,901 in California. But wait, there's more. These are the statistics in the year of 2000. By 2007, Wyoming rose to 74, Hawaii to 189, Iowa to 500, New Jersey to 1,257, Florida to 3,133, California to 4,369. The United States totaling at 44,263. A rise of 4,643 Americans in only 7 years, or 663 Americans per year. So what is being spent on all these people? $226,275 million on Part A, inpatient care, which includes but not limited to $47,150 to managed care and $6,570 to home health agency. $174,805 million is being spent on Part B, the rest of the care, which includes but not limited to $56,762 on physician FEE schedule, $45,203 on managed care, $23,054 on hospital. Now who gets all this money? $20,673 of it goes to children under 18 years old. $9,827 goes to Americans between 18 to 44 years old. $5,565 goes to Americans between 45 to 64 years old. And $3,263 goes to Americans 65 years or older. Wait, let's rewind that a moment. 28,673 are under 18. That's a lot, isn't it? Who are they? In 2000, only 484 of them are Californians, but by 2008, it rose to 1,692. The second runner-up, New York, started with 760 in 2000 and declined to 5,173. Strange. That was confusing, wasn't it? This is the American healthcare system. But what does this all mean? Who knows? But if anything, California is not normal. Oh, did we mention this is only Medicare? Medicaid. But that's only Medicare.